The storm so big it's difficult to grasp. Forecasters say that 100 million people
an hour plows couldn't keep up. Ferocious arrived.
Got a stalled motorist.
At this command center, officials from every city department track the storm live.
Here we are, walking down towards the lake. Things are getting really crazy. This is awesome. Come with me, guys. Okay, literally, there was just a woman. It is absolutely blisteringly cold. We are just about 15 feet off the lake. I don't feel comfortable going any further, any closer. It's far too dangerous. You can only see about 1.5 feet in front of you. The feeling of the snow whipping across my face is an absolute pain. It hurts so badly. But it's all worth it because it is absolutely beautiful out here. I've never seen anything like this. It's so windy. The water's coming up here. It is absolutely ridiculous. The winds down here are so high. I've never experienced winds like this. I'm not holding on to this for fun. I'm only